What is a dental crown? A dental crown is a tooth-shaped cap that is placed over the tooth to restore its size, function, and shape. It is used to enhance the overall appearance of your teeth as well as to improve your oral health. A tooth is restored using a dental crown in the following situations: to cover a poorly shaped or discolored tooth to improve your smile, to protect a weak tooth from decay, breaks, or cracks, to protect the restored tooth if you had a root canal treatment, to restore a broken tooth, to treat a cavity that is too large for a filling, to hold a dental bridge in position, to make a cosmetic modification. Different materials are used to make dental crowns, including porcelain fused to metal, metal alloys, ceramics, composite resin, and porcelain. Crowns are usually colored to match your natural teeth color. The dental crown procedure typically requires 2 visits to the dentist. In the first visit, the doctor will prepare the tooth and will place a temporary crown. This step typically takes 50 to 90 minutes to complete. First, your dentist will remove any decay if present and measure your tooth's outer portion to ensure the crown will fit properly and precisely. Then your dentist will build up the core of the tooth if the crown requires additional support. After reshaping your tooth, your dentist will take its impression using a digital scanner, paste, or putty to create the crown. Once the tooth is prepared, your dentist will provide a temporary crown to protect it while your permanent dental crown is being made. Your tooth may become sensitive to cold and hot when you have the temporary crown, so avoid eating sticky foods and chewing gum. It may take up to 2 weeks for the permanent crown to be made. In the second visit, the dentist will replace the temporary crown with the permanent one. Before placing the new crown, your dentist will check that it fits and the color matches. If everything is okay, the crown will be cemented in position. This step is usually completed in about 20 to 30 minutes. The cost of a crown can vary based on where you live, the type of crown needed, and insurance coverage. Contact us to learn more about the dental crown procedure or to schedule a visit with your local Ideal Dental today. Ideal Dental, all your smile needs.